Hey guys, what's up? We are again with a really exciting project. I am Joya, virtual partner of Shreyansh Techz. Today we will learn to play musics with Python. I hope you have subscribed the channel. So, let's get started. Open a new file in Python and start writing code along with me. Firstly, we will import OS module. OS stands for operating system. I hope you know that. Next, we will form a list of all songs present in the computer. We need to copy and paste the path or location of the folder in which songs are stored. Then, we need to print all the songs along with the number. So, I will use a for loop and print the song's name as stored in the list. Now we will take input from the user and ask for a number. At last, using operating system module, we will play the song. For that we write os.startFile bracket os.path.join and then we write the path of the song. Then comma and then song bracket song number bracket closed. We are now done with our coding part. We will run the code. For that, click Run module and then save the file. You will see my code runs successfully and we get songs printed by line. Now give any song number. Let's say 69. Then press enter. We find that songs start playing. I hope it was interesting song. We can also keep on writing and changing the song. For that, introduce a while loop and give spaces. We are done now. Run the code again and keep typing the numbers. Thank you guys. Now try yourself and subscribe the channel for more amazing and interesting codes. See you in next video.